Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are a couple of Ischia Blacks. This is a Black Madeira. I think this is like UC Davis. And I dropped this on. This is another Zingarella. And I tore the skin and then I dropped it. So let's go take a look at these. I just had a Zingarella off the tree too. It was really dark. And I've been eyeballing one that's got a lot of cracking on it, but I think they need to get really darker. The neck is still pretty connected or rigid on the tree there, so that's the inside. Oh, look at what's going on there. Wow. And it was the one that I just had was smaller than this Black Madeira. But it was very, it's a honey fig. Zingarella, I would say, is a honey fig. So let's open up this Black Madeira. Okay. Some nice dark jam consistency here. A lot of seeds in this. Here is an Ischia Black. It just pretty much came off the tree. Stem's all dried out there. This would just hang on the tree and dehydrate even further. Oh yeah, I can tell by the resistance to the knife. It's getting there. Just really losing its moisture and increasing the sugar content. Let's take a look at this one, and the skin's getting leathery. The Zingarella here, it's just very fragile, and you can see where the skin just tore off. This here, Ischia Black, is just getting toughened up and dehydrating. Oh yeah. Give one of these halves a try. Yeah, that was good. And yes, yeah, this is the Black Madeira. I think I actually like the Ischia Black a little bit better there, but I like honey figs. So this is Zingarella. Really sweet. So this is New England Gardening. Enjoying some figs after doing some more work. Putting the soil in on the greenhouse and repotting that Col de Dame Blanc. Thanks for watching.